put down the phone you're holding. For the last 2 years, flagship smartphones have been playing it safe, small updates, slightly better chips, minor camera tweaks. But 2026 is the year everything changes. This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the leaks we've seen aren't just incremental improvements, they are a complete hardware and AI revolution. Samsung isn't just beating its rivals, it's building a phone that's 2 years ahead of the curve. Over the next 8 minutes, we're going to dive into the 3 biggest secrets. The massive new camera sensor and a crazy fast aperture that will make night mode obsolete. The long-awaited Qi 2 magnetic charging system that finally brings MagSafe-style accessories to the Android world. The sheer, raw, unbelievable power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 that completely changes the game for gaming and AI. If you are planning to buy any flagship phone in the next 6 months, you must watch this entire video. Your money is at stake. Let's start with the one thing the Ultra series is built on, the camera. The S25 Ultra had a great camera, but the leaks for the S26 Ultra suggest a system that moves into a new dimension. The biggest rumor, Samsung is reportedly upgrading the main 200MP sensor to a larger 1/1.1-inch model, a huge physical size jump from its predecessor. This is not a slight optimization, this is a physical revolution in light gathering. But here's the real killer feature, a rumored superfast f/1.4 aperture. The combination of a massive sensor and that wide-open aperture means the S26 Ultra will absorb up to 50% more light than the current generation. Think about what this means for your content. Night mode is dead, you won't need that blurry, processed, oversmoothed night mode anymore. You'll get clean, sharp, instantaneous low-light photos and videos that look natural. True cinematic depth, that fast aperture means a naturally shallower depth of field. You'll get real, creamy bokeh behind your subject without having to rely on the software portrait mode. Telephoto zoom upgrade, even the 5x optical zoom camera is rumored to get a light intake boost with a wider f/2.9 aperture. That means your super zoom shots, the thing Samsung is famous for, will be brighter and cleaner than ever before. This isn't just a phone camera, it's a pocket cinematic camera. Now, let's talk about the hardware feature Android users have been begging for, magnetic charging. The leaks from case manufacturers and regulatory filings strongly indicate that the S26 Ultra will fully support Qi 2 magnetic alignment and charging. This is more than just a small convenience. This is the unlocking of an entire ecosystem. Imagine you snap your phone onto a MagSafe-style car mount, and it perfectly aligns to charge every single time. You use a magnetic wallet that is strong enough to never fall off. The entire third-party accessory market for the S26 Ultra explodes overnight. For years, Samsung's S Pen interfered with the necessary magnetic coils, but the leaks suggest Samsung has redesigned the S Pen digitizer to solve this problem. If this leak is true, the S26 Ultra doesn't just catch up to the magnetic accessory trend, it democratizes it for the entire Android world. And what about power? We're hearing talk of a 5,400 mAh battery, a slight but welcome bump paired with a massive jump in charging speed, potentially up to 60 or even 65 watts wired charging. This is the power ecosystem that the Ultra device truly deserves. A phone this advanced needs a brain to match. The S26 Ultra, at least in premium markets like the USA, is expected to debut the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy. Don't let the name confuse you, this is reportedly a 3nm chipset that offers not just raw speed, but unbelievable power efficiency. The leaks claim a 35% jump in power efficiency. This means all that cutting-edge camera and display tech will run longer and cooler than ever. But the real story here is AI. The S26 Ultra will ship with a new version of Galaxy AI. And with a chipset this powerful, we can expect real-time AI video editing directly on the phone. Advanced live translation that works faster and more reliably. A new privacy display feature that limits the screen's viewing angle to protect your data from prying eyes on the subway or in a cafe. It's like a digital privacy screen filter that you can turn on and off. And the display itself? Rumors point to a 3000 nit peak brightness on the 6.9-inch screen. This is a display so bright and so vibrant that every piece of content you watch will look better than real life. Let's talk about the look. Leaks suggest the S26 Ultra will maintain its sharp, professional aesthetic, but with a refined twist. Case leaks point to a slightly curvier, more ergonomic chassis and a move toward a consolidated, prominent pill-shaped camera island on the back. It's a subtle shift that keeps the iconic Samsung look while giving it a fresh, modern edge. So, when can you get it, and what will it cost? The traditional Samsung launch is in January, but reliable reports suggest a potential delay to late February or early March 2026 to finalize the camera and chip integration. You'll be waiting a little longer, but for a true technological leap, that wait is worth it. The price? Expect it to start right where it has, around $1,299 for the base model. This is the one unavoidable truth of ultra flagship phones. But when you tally up the value, the massive camera upgrades, the magnetic charging, the generational chip leap, and the AI features, the S26 Ultra is positioned to be the most compelling high-end device of 2026. This isn't just Samsung iterating, this is Samsung defining the next era of smartphones. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the phone that will make your current flagship feel ancient overnight. If you were thinking of upgrading now, stop. The S26 Ultra is poised to be the generational leap we've been waiting for. The jump to a larger sensor and a faster aperture alone is enough to justify the wait. Add in Qi 2 magnetic charging and the elite processor, and you have a phone that redefines what a smartphone can be. Are you more excited about the f/1.4 camera or the Qi 2 magnetic charging? Let me know in the comments below. If this video saved you from making a bad purchase, hit that like button and subscribe to Tap Tech. We will have the final, official breakdown the moment it launches. Thanks for watching.